Liqueurs are defined as sweetened and flavored alcoholic drinks. It is usually served as an after-dinner drink. Liqueurs are also used as bases for many cocktails. They were originally made in the early days for medicinal purposes. Infusing alcohol with remedial herbs, spices, fruits and barks was a good way of preserving their medicinal qualities. Liqueurs can be divided into two basic categories, fruit liqueurs and plant liqueurs. The liqueur can be colorless or can have a color depending on how it is made. Some liqueurs are made by infusing water or alcohol with fruits, flowers and woods, while others may be distilled. In this video, we will learn about 10 incredibly useful liqueurs for your bar. These help you to make great cocktails and improve the variety in your bar selection. If you are new here, this video is made by Hoteltutor.com. But more about us later. My favorite liqueur is Bailey's Irish Cream. It is creamy brown and has a blend of Irish whiskey and cream. It has 17% alcohol and is a great after-dinner drink. Another liqueur used in many cocktails is Cointreau. Made with orange and brandy, Cointreau is a clear drink from France and is made with orange and brandy as its base. Third on the list is Galliano. It is a very complex liqueur made with herbs, roots, berries, anise, licorice and vanilla. It is made in Italy and is yellow. It comes in a very tall bottle that you cannot miss. If you like coffee-based drinks, then Kahlua is a drink that you will enjoy. Made with rum and flavored with coffee, this dark liqueur is used in many popular cocktails. It is made in Mexico and can have up to 38% alcohol. Fifth on the list is Malibu. It is a coconut-based liqueur from Jamaica and this drink is clear in color. It is not too sweet, making it an excellent choice in tropical cocktails. Okay, so I mentioned that this video is made by the team at Hoteltutor.com. We are a site dedicated to training people working in hotels. On the site, we have more than 65 certificate courses that you can learn for free and upon completion get a certificate that you can share. The link to go to the website is in the description box below. If you prefer watching on YouTube, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get updates whenever we post quick animated tutorials like this. On this YouTube channel, we have more than 200 videos that are divided into department-wise playlists so that you can learn what you are interested in. Alright, back to the list of liqueurs. If you work in a bar, the green bottle of Midori is unmistakable. Made with melons in Japan, it has more than 20% alcohol by volume. Another popular liqueur is the Grand Marnier. It is an orange-flavored drink made with brandy. It is from France and has about 40% alcohol. Another great after-dinner drink is Sambuca. It is a licorice-flavored drink from Italy. It has about 38% alcohol by volume. Drambuie is a whiskey and honey-flavored liqueur from Scotland. It is golden in color and has around 40% alcohol by volume. Finally, we have various creme. They are usually made with brandy or other spirit bases. Cassis is red, creme de menthe is green in color and mint flavored, and creme de cacao has a flavor of cocoa beans and vanilla. So these are some of the liqueurs that you usually use in a bar. These 10 liqueurs will be incredibly useful in improving your sales. Next, you must watch the video on how to sell repeat drinks in the bar. The link to that is right there. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends from the industry.